Hi, I am Teacher Bridge. You can call me Teacher Bridge. Hi, nice to meet you. How about you? What's your name? Your name is Ben. Hi, Ben. Nice to meet you, Ben. Okay, for today, we will tackle about animals and beginning sounds. Okay? Okay, before that, I will give you an energetic clap. Okay, so because of that, I will give you three claps. Can you do it with me? Okay, let's start. One, two, three. Can we do it again? One, two, three. Good job. Okay, so let's start. First animal starts with the sound D. D. Can you follow, teacher? D. D. Okay, to remember the song or the sound, I will teach you a song. Okay, the song goes like this. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is a lot of fun with a d d d d d d d d d. See me play upon my drum. The sound is d d. Can you guess what kind of animal is this? I have an animal in my hand. Can you guess the animal? Okay, this animal has 4 feet. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 feet. Okay, what animal is this? This is a dog. Can you say dog? Can you say it again? Dog. Good job. Next animal starts with the sound bring your bat and bring your ball. B, b. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. The sound is b, b. Can you do it too? Good job. This animal is I have an animal in my hand. Can you guess this animal? This animal is a bear. Can you say it? Bear. Good job. This is a bear. And the color of this bear is brown. Brown. Good job. And for our third animal, it sounds like, or the first sound of this animal goes like eggs in the pan, eh, 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 eggs in the pan, eh, 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 eggs in the pan, eh, 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 crack the egg like this, eh. The sound is eh, eh. Can you do the sound? Good job. This animal is I have an animal in my hand. Can you guess this animal? This animal is it's an elephant. Can you say it? Elephant. Can you say it again? Elephant. It's an elephant. Good job. So today we introduced three animals. One, two, and three animals. Good job. Thank you for listening and joining with me. Okay, for our next lesson on the other day, I am excited to be with you again. I hope that you will join Teacher Bridge again and let's learn another animals, songs, sounds, and counting. Okay, thank you. Bye.